Hello everyone, in this lecture, literature is defined and explained with its characteristics. But, if you're new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: literature refers to a specific subset of written works considered to have artistic merit, aesthetic value, or cultural significance. What does it mean? Simply, it means that literature cannot be defined in a way which can cover all aspects of literature. But you can say, a literature is nothing but it refers to written work which has aesthetic value. I know still you are confused, but don't worry, let me tell you some of the characteristics of a literature one by one, then you will understand it. The first point of a literary work is aesthetic value. By aesthetic value it means that the language of a literary work is used creatively and beautifully, evoking emotions and stimulating the senses through rhythm, imagery, and metaphors. Simply, you can say a writer uses the language of a literary work in such a manner that paints pictures in the mind, and it helps readers to experience the story more vividly, and creates a sense of wonder and surprise. And the sound and flow of words, creating a sense of harmony, elegance, and even a captivating cadence that draws the reader in. Simply, when a written work that appeals to your senses and you enjoy while reading is called a piece of literature. So, this is the first quality of a literature. The second is emotional impact. By this point, it means that it is the ability of literature that it evokes strong emotions in the readers. Basically, literature allows us to step into the shoes of others, experiencing their joys, sorrows, fears, and hopes through vivid descriptions and character development. Actually, by encountering emotions similar to our own in characters and stories, we can find a safe space to release pent-up feelings, providing catharsis and emotional release. This is also one of the characteristics of a literature that it evokes our emotions. Language and style. By language and style, it means that language in literature is not merely a means of communication, it is a medium for artistic expression. Authors use language creatively to convey emotions, ideas, and experiences. Basically, it employs descriptive language to create vivid imagery. Authors strive for precision in expression, choosing words carefully to evoke specific sensory experiences. While style represents the distinctive voice of the author. It encompasses the author's unique way of expressing ideas, choice of words, and overall approach to storytelling. The author's style includes the choice of narrative perspective, such as first person, third person, or omniscient. The chosen point of view shapes the reader's engagement with characters and events. Reflection of society and culture. By this point it means that a reflection of society and culture is a significant characteristic of literature. Literary works serve as mirrors that reflect the values, beliefs, norms, conflicts, and cultural dynamics of the society in which they are produced. This characteristic is particularly evident in various aspects of literature. Basically, literature frequently addresses and reflects social issues, such as inequality, injustice, discrimination, and societal conflicts. Authors use their works to critique, question, or shed light on prevailing social conditions. Simply, you can say, this is also one of the main characteristics of a literature, if you see such characteristics in a work, so it means you are reading a literary work. Entertainment and enlightenment. By entertainment, it means that literature aims to entertain by engaging readers and providing an enjoyable experience. Whether through compelling narratives, interesting characters, or poetic language, literature seeks to captivate and hold the reader's attention. Simply, you can say that it is the main characteristics of literature that, while reading, the reader will enjoy it. But by enlightenment, it means that literature is not only about entertainment but also about intellectual stimulation. It challenges readers to think critically, analyze complex ideas, and explore diverse perspectives. Actually, literature possesses a dual nature, offering both entertainment and enlightenment. While entertaining readers with engaging stories and emotional experiences, literature also has the power to enlighten, stimulate intellectual curiosity, and provide profound insights into the complexities of the human condition. If you have enjoyed this lecture, then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.